In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rock music with Suno AI. We'll follow a simple, reliable workflow that turns a focused prompt and a clear lyric structure into a powerful rock track, all inside advanced mode so you have precise control over style and production. First, open Suno AI in your browser, log in, click Create, and switch to advanced mode. This setting is the key to getting rock right. It helps the model understand not just what genre you want, but the mix decisions, performance details, and overall vibe that make rock feel alive. Once advanced mode is on, you're ready to shape the sound with intention. Start by defining your rock style in a short, direct line. Think of this as your headline. Classic rock leans warm and vintage. Hard rock is heavier and more aggressive. Alternative and indie emphasize mood and texture. Cinematic rock feels expansive and dramatic, while pop rock is bright and hook forward. Set the vibe up front so Suno knows where to steer the arrangement and vocal delivery. Next, add targeted production keywords to nail the sound. These are the ingredients that guide the arrangement and mix. Phrases like distorted guitars, live drums, emotional vocals, guitar solo, punchy snare, stadium atmosphere, or cinematic rock production help the model place the right tones in the right space. Keep it concise but descriptive. Aim for feel, instrumentation, and energy rather than a long backstory. A strong example would be alternative rock anthem, emotional vocals, distorted electric guitars, punchy live drums, cinematic atmosphere. If you want lyrics, add them now. Rock responds best to a clear structure: verse, chorus, bridge. Verses carry the story or imagery, the chorus delivers the big hook, and the bridge adds contrast or lift before the final chorus. Keep lines tight and singable and use a clear, repeatable chorus phrase to anchor the melody. You don't need many words. Clarity and repetition go a long way in helping Suno shape a memorable top line. When you're ready, click Create. Suno typically generates two versions with different vocal deliveries and guitar approaches. Listen for the chorus that hits hardest, the guitar tone that matches your style, and the cleanest overall energy. Notice how the drums drive the groove and whether the vocal sits confidently in the mix. One final pro tip: explicitly mention real instruments in your prompt. Calling out electric guitar, bass guitar, and live drums often adds a more authentic, energetic feel to both performance and mix. That's the workflow. Set advanced mode, define your rock style, add focused production keywords, include structured lyrics if you want, generate, and pick the best version. You're ready to craft a rock song that truly hits with Suno AI.